The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar fundamentally is serious areas of strength for Truly, so they generally thought. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents in a kind of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is drifting at $3,179,762. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Nexo truly acquired roughly 0.02% inside the most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. 15 July 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly got clarification on some things, facts. What all things considered, is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Nexo. Especially is Nexo a wise interest in an especially huge manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is very huge. Yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, sort of let us in every way that really matters, discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891. Further appearance, how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part, let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. The genuinely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,444,606,376, exhibiting that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891. Kind of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%. Coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span, showing that the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar for the most part is serious areas of strength for Truly in every practical sense. Is very critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is up by 1.8, and as of now exchanging at 72 cents, in a kind of huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market really is going in a fundamentally descending course for sort of present moment, which especially is very critical. As of now, a genuinely broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors fundamentally become commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially further appearance. How support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. Or so they generally thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The truly current Nexo cost by and large is 63 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,179,762 and the for the most part beyond 24 hours, or so they generally thought. At present, Nexo certainly is up by 0.02% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $351,510,673 United States dollars, which basically shows that market investigation over the last 24 hours. There by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, especially let us explicitly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 15 July 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, truly made sense of underneath, showing how Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents, or so they sort of thought. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo, showing how Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they most certainly thought. The Nexo especially has explicitly break all its especially upholds levels, and things truly are not looking excellent for the crypto market, exhibiting how following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The genuinely current Nexo cost for the most part is 63 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,179,762 and the by and large beyond 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. At present, in a real sense bears really are in charge of the market and effectively especially take Nexo cost underneath the critical help level of 82 cents, which for the most part shows that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891, sort of additional appearance, how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations, which generally is very huge. RSI and